Hello everybody, how are you? In this video I will explain how to integrate your FusionBot AI chatbot with Telegram. So let's start. First I need to go to the dashboard. Okay, then I need to go to the chatbot page and in the connections tab I need to click on Telegram here. Okay, so if I click on this button, it tells me that I need to go to the bot father account in Telegram, this one, and let's click on start. Okay, so then I need to click on new bot here, or I can go to the menu, the same thing, new bot. Okay, it will tell me to choose a name for my Telegram bot, which will be integrated with my AI bot. So let me go here, select the same name, then paste. Okay. What is next? Let me refresh the page. Okay, great. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot. Can call it like this, one bot. Great. So right now I already created an account in Telegram, bot account, and what I need to do now is to copy the access token from here. If I click on this token, it will be get copied. Also I can get it from here. If I go to my bots in Telegram, choose a bot from the list below. I only have one. Okay, so click on API token, then click on the token. It will be copied. Then get back here and paste it here. Let's wait a few seconds. Great. Okay, status connected. Right now my bot is connected to the Telegram bot, and this is the link. If I click on it, I'll be in my bot. Let me try to change the logo. Choose the same one. Save. Okay. It will take a few seconds to update. Okay, let me refresh the page, and that's it. Yeah. So that's it. So basically right now I'm connected to Telegram. Click on start. Here I get the welcome message. It's coming from here, the same one. Okay, so let me start with it. Hello, tell me about your company. Sorry about this. Yeah, so this one is coming directly from the AI, and it take all those informations from the system instructions. The OpenAI will read the system instructions, then respond adequately to my my question. And let me ask it something else. 1 second. I have few examples here. How much can I save if I install your solar panels? Great. The same answer. Yeah. Okay, so what else? I can not only type questions in form of text, but I can also speak directly to it. Hello, can you tell me about your solar panels? Okay, so if I use audio in the question, it will respond with audio also. I need just to wait a few more seconds. Great. Let's see.
Certainly. Bright Home Solutions offers high-efficiency solar panels designed to maximize energy production.
Okay, you got the idea. Thank you. So, what I want to show you here, see here on contacts, I already have a few contacts here. The channel is web, but if I refresh now, I should see another contact. Yeah, so this one was added, and if you can see here, the channel is Telegram, not web. This one is for the normal widgets in your website, but this one, Telegram, is for any client that get access to your FusionBot AI chatbot from Telegram. You will see here Telegram, and also here, if you click here, you will it will send you to the same bot. And the same thing, here are all the messages, and for the audio messages I can see the transcript. This one is coming directly from OpenAI. Also for the menu, I will make another video explaining how to add some custom buttons to the menu, but for now I'll just show you this one here. If you click here, you'll find this one, refresh chatbot, which we already have here. And yeah, so this is basically the integration of chatbot AI with the Telegram. It's almost the same exact thing as the web widget, except that it is in Telegram. So what you need to do now is to invite your client to this chatbot, and they may and this way they can ask directly the AI questions about your company directly inside Telegram.